What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today, I have a super fun video here for you. We are headed over to T-Pain's first drift event, and it's Drift Symphony. It's gonna be super crazy. He's got a lot of big name people showing up there today. Just to name a few that I'm super excited for, Vaughn Gittin Jr. is gonna be there, Chelsea Denofa. There's a bunch of other FD drivers that are gonna be showing up there, it seems like, so I'm super excited, and maybe we'll get a chance to meet T-Pain and Vaughn. That would be super cool. I got the car cleaned up here. We're about to head over that way now. Got my Fun Haver shirt on here, guys. Got to support the RTR folks over there. And the car is looking super nice right now, if I don't say so myself. I have officially decided that we're gonna go the whole RTR route with this build. I really love the design of those RTR parts, and I finally made the decision that's the route we're gonna go. So being there today with Vaughn and all them, it makes it even more kind of special for me and cool. Maybe we'll get him to sign something on the car. Maybe the radiator cover, something like that. I don't know, we'll see. So let's go over there and check it out. All right, guys, we just rolled up, and this is my plan. I want to get Vaughn, Chelsea, and maybe even T-Pain to sign the car here. If you watched previous videos, we got Gavin from It's Just a Six to sign, and we also have Derek from Derek Barron Productions to sign the car. And so this whole car is just going to be kind of like a memory piece. First new Mustang, all the cool people I'm getting to meet with this thing. So I think it'll be cool to have them sign right here. So I got to just pop up a few clips. We'll take it with us and see if we can make it happen. But this event looks freaking sick. All right, just like that. So I don't think that'll look too weird walking around with that. What do you think?
No, I think it looks good.
This is my Mustang part. Look it, no one would ever know.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you work hard for me, while forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and slice it up. Now it's time to marry me. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. I like it when you shit, chat, shit. I like it when you're looking like that. Oh, shit, too fun to find my action. I like it when you look like that. The one with your brother with the right mouth. Just like it when you're looking like that. Sweet smell, rush, can't find my attraction. Don't think twice, I'm here for the moment. No, I like you better. I got a church place somewhere better. I like it last forever. I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you work hard for me, while forgetting how to talk. I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it out.
Holy crap! Look at this! Crap in my glasses.
Yeah,
I got
where at?
what do you think? I was hoping to have Vaughn sign here.
Okay.
Maybe somewhere over here.
Sounds good.
Dude, it was awesome watching you in the Mustang last few years.
Thanks, man.
Keep up with you a little bit on YouTube.
Oh, sick.
Oh, yeah, you can sign my you join it? Dude, I am so much. And I saw, I think you were trying to order about it.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
I'm about to pull the trigger on a bunch of RTR parts. I ain't seen it. I got it.
Please do.
Dude, it looks good. So
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I mean, I might be a little biased, but I also think it looks pretty damn good.
Yeah, that's right, dude. Oh yeah, thank you.
There you go, brother. You're welcome. My pleasure, man.
Worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you work hard for me, while forgetting how to talk. I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it out. Now it's time to marry me. And right after we're done, I've been giving you the worst of me.
Dude, this is freaking epic tonight, guys. I can't believe we got everyone to sign the car that I wanted to have signed. Megan is frozen to the bone. And it's getting dark, but T-Pain's gonna be doing this karaoke like after the drifting show. Should be pretty sick if we stay that long. Oh, there's a brand. Anyways, super cool, man. Super freaking cool. Just epic day, man. Absolutely. And we are back from T-Pain's event, guys. That was absolutely epic. It was just such a fun event. So if they ever see this video, guys, you did an absolutely fantastic job. Super fun. And thanks to everyone who actually signed the car as well. Vaughn, Chelsea, Hurt, T-Pain. Cannot believe it. This is something that I really wanted to have on the car that would make the car unique and stand out from all the other Mustangs on the road and just kind of be a memory piece on the car, something that I can look at every time I open the hood and just be like, wow, I can't believe that happened. So let me show you what it looks like on the car. We're starting to get quite a few signatures on here, which is pretty cool. We'll pop that hood here, and there it is, guys. Look at this. So we got Vaughn right in the center here, which is absolutely awesome. Hurt over to the left, T-Pain down in the left-hand corner, and then we got Chelsea DeNofa on there as well. Just kind of adding the signatures with Gavin from It's Just a Six. And we got Derek from Derek Barron Productions. Super cool to meet both of those guys as well. I do gotta say, this is pretty cool. Just me looking at this now, like I really, like I said, wanted something to set the car apart as we do our build, and I think this is gonna do just that. Also, real quick, I do wanna say, after seeing the RTR Spec 2, I believe, in person, it was the yellow one. I took a few pictures and video. I think it's actually in this video as well. But I really liked that Spec 1 or Spec 2 RTR 2024 that Vaughn drove up in, and man, I think that's the way we're gonna go. I think we're gonna do a full RTR build on this car, and I'm super excited about it. So although the parts won't be fully unique because everyone can buy them, the signatures, little things like that will set the car apart in my eyes. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Man, I sure as hell did. And if you guys want to see the next couple videos, we got 2 parts sitting in the garage already ready to go on the car. You're not gonna wanna miss it. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.